Alright guys, just a quick tip. February the 28th, I'm going through a bunch of hives, and this is a quick tip for always carry a piece of wax with you. And as you can see, they never finished drawing all these frames out. They've already started drawing a little bit in here. So all I'm doing is taking your piece of wax and rubbing it over the foundation. I know some of these girls are getting angry, but it'll be all right. Just a quick tip, when you're out here doing this, it'll save you time, because you're not going to have the ability to take this frame into the workshop with a roller or hot wax with a, sorry about that, I was looking to see what I had, a roller or a paintbrush with hot wax and wax it on there, and you see how good that did? You get out of the shade. See how well that did? They'll draw that right on out. So that's your quick tip of the day. I'm gonna get back to work. Thanks for watching Woolly Bees.